Hi guys, welcome to this video about the question if adding the current year in a title, description and keywords makes sense. So here I have an example in the Keyword Explorer. By the way, the Keyword Explorer, that's the thing from TubeBuddy. If you don't have it already, you can get it for free with the link below in the description. There's a free version. You can already use the Keyword Explorer with a limited version for free. If you want the full version, you can get it with 20% discount with the coupon code, which I'll put down also into the description. It's an awesome thing. I think it's worth every penny. But yeah, I would suggest to start with the free version. It has already plenty of benefits. So anyway, the thing is, back to the question, would I recommend, or does the Keyword Explorer actually suggest to add the current year? So I have actually two samples here. The first one is a general question which has actually nothing to do with the year. So I have found this here directly in the Keyword Explorer. I was just typing, I started typing something and the Keyword Explorer, it finished my sentence. So I think it's a pretty common question asked here on YouTube. And so the one is how to fix broken steering wheel lock, and I added 2019. So does it make sense to add the year at the end of such a question? I think it doesn't make sense. I mean, if you think about that, it's probably the same thing since, I don't know, 20, 30, 40 years. So it doesn't matter if you had to answer or solve the issue in 2000 or even back in the 90s or 2000, 2005, 2010, 2015, maybe even in 10 years or so, it will probably be almost same thing. I mean, there is some development, but in general, I think it doesn't make sense to add the year here. But a lot of people say, yeah, it helps to get more traffic. So let's see what the Keyword Explorer says. Here we have it without the year. We click on Explorer. Of course, I'm using the weighted, which is specifically for your channel, and it can be different with the unweighted, but of course you want to know if it's worth to use it in your channel or not. And we get a value overall score of 32, which is not too good. It's in the orange range. So let's see if we can upgrade it to yellow or green with the year, current year 2019. I would expect that it's going down, but maybe it's going up. Let's see. And yeah, as I was expecting, it was going down to 20. I mean, that's a dramatic drop from 32 to 20, and it makes absolutely sense because in this question the year has nothing lost. I mean, it's just fake. Maybe even Google interprets that as a fake, as somebody who is just trying to make keywords higher ranked with some artificial things, and Google don't like to be cheated. So I generally recommend to use just what your natural sentence or natural saying would be, and no artificial things. But sometimes Keyword Explorer suggests different things, but here the case is clear. If it's not related to a year, don't use it. So let's try a different thing. So I already started typing, and it is Bitcoin price prediction and the keyword explorer. Just while I'm typing, it comes up with these suggestions, and as you can see, it automatically adds this year. And yeah, it's not only for this year. I mean, yeah, it adds, I mean, other years. So it makes sense. I mean, if somebody really makes a prediction of Bitcoin price 2025, why not? But if you are making Bitcoin prediction for 2019 and you use this year, it's not fair, and maybe Google will detect that and it will punish you. And so I would really try to stay honest. Whatever you do, just only use that keywords as well in your keywords or tags section. So so you see it's already 2019 in there. So we use this without and explore it first, and as you can see, it gets a really poor result, and I think it's maybe due to the fact that a year is lacking here, and we add 2019, for example, do the same thing, and it's even worse. Wow. Okay, that's a little bit unexpected here. So maybe nobody's interested into Bitcoin price 2019. Maybe 1 or 2 years ago people have been interested in Bitcoin price prediction 2019. Maybe not anymore in this year. I don't know. People are thinking long term with Bitcoin. So let's try a different thing. Let's go into 2025 and see. Let's see. I mean, it's 6 years from now. Could be people are more interested into prediction of 2025. And yeah, here we are, a 38. A third. Wow, that's a whopping upgrade. That's a 38. Okay. And here without, it's a 9. So if you are planning for a Bitcoin price prediction video, don't do one for 2019. Do one for 2025. And yeah, the interest will be much higher. I don't know if you can just use anything. 26, even better. 27. That's crazy. Yeah. So if you're planning to do something like that, do something long term. I mean, that means not only use such a keyword, do really your research based on that. Plan your video based on keyword, based on interest. You can see definitely the interest is long term. So do a video. If you're doing a video, do it long term. Maybe I will do something like that for 2027. If you're using the right research tools, you can easily find out what price prediction could be for 2027. Yeah, maybe I'll do a video. Let's see. This thing is really good. I'm really interested into that. And yeah, so it, as you have seen, it definitely makes a difference what it is about. If you did same thing like for a steering wheel lock repair for 2027, I don't have to do the Explorer here. It's useless. It's a waste of time. Nobody will be interested into that. So you have to really think about if it makes sense the year or not. Don't just put any random year or the current year into the title, description, or keywords, tags, whatsoever. Just think about what makes sense, and if it makes sense and it belongs to your video, use it. Otherwise, don't put it here. That's my suggestion. Maybe I'm wrong. If you think I'm wrong, yeah, just let me know. I'm always happy to learn new things, and I know I don't know everything. I'm always trying to get more information and get wiser over time. At least the good thing is we don't only get older, we can get wiser. That's a good thing. So I still hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.